In this lecture, in order to secure our Web API application, we are going to set some very important security headers on the response which we are sending from our Express app. So, setting HTTP request headers in an Express app is one of the simplest, highest impact steps to harden your application against common web attacks. And these headers tell browsers how to handle your site's content and connections, preventing attacks like XSS attack, clickjacking, MIME sniffing, mixed content, and cross-origin data leaks. So when we set HTTP security headers while sending a response from the Express app, it avoids attacks like cross-site scripting attack, clickjacking, MIME sniffing, and cross-origin data leaks, etc. So when we set secure HTTP headers, it reduces the exploit surface area. So browser respects security headers and it will actively block dangerous behavior like inlining script from unknown sources or embedding your site in iframes. And as I mentioned, when we use HTTP security headers, it mitigate common attacks like XSS attack, clickjacking, MIME sniffing, cross-origin info leakage, etc. And we also add HTTP security headers for compliances and best practices. Now, what are the common HTTP security headers which we need to add? So there are a lot of essential headers, essential security headers, which we can add to the response, like the content security policy or the HTTP strict transport security policy or X content type options header, X frame options header, refer policy, etc. So there are many HTTP security headers which we can set on the response from our Express application. Now, doing this manually is a tedious task. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a third-party package called Helmet. And when we use that package will take care of adding all the HTTP security headers which we need to the response header which we are going to send from our Express app. So before we use that package, let's first go to the documentation of Helmet package. So here I'm on npm.js website. And here I'm going to search for helmet package. Okay. So here we can learn what this package is all about. So as you can see, this package helps us secure Express apps by setting HTTP response headers. And helmet sets these headers, which you can see in the list on the response. Okay. So these are the headers which the helmet package is going to set on each response which we are going to send from our Express app. Okay, and if you want to learn about these headers and what they do in detail, you can learn about them from here. So for example, here we have this content security policy header. So this header will be added to the response by the helmet package. And what this header does is it mitigates a large number of attacks like cross-site scripting and other attacks. Okay, so when this header is present on the response, then it will make sure that this cross-site scripting attack does not happen. Then we also have other headers like cross-origin resource policy. So if I expand that, so this header is another header which will be set on the response body. And this header blocks other websites or other domains from loading your resources. Okay. So for example, it will block the other domain to access the resources like hotels, users, reviews, etc. from other domain. Then we have X content type options. So if I expand that, what this header is going to do is it is going to mitigate this attack, this MIME type sniffing attack. And this type of attack can cause security issues. So if you want to learn about MIME type sniffing attack, you can click on this documentation. But remember that this header, it is going to mitigate this MIME type sniffing. So if you want to learn about these headers and what they are used for, you can learn about them from here and what type of attacks they can mitigate when added to the response header. So when we add these security headers to the response, the client, mostly the browsers, can understand these security headers and the browser can act upon them accordingly. And by adding these security headers, we are making our application more secure. Again, as I mentioned, adding these security headers manually is a very tedious task. So what we are going to do is we are going to use this helmet package for that. So let's go to VS Code, and there, first of all, let's go ahead and let's install that package. So for that, I'll say npm install, and the package name is helmet. Let's press enter. So the package has been installed. Next, we are going to require that package. So here I'm going to create a variable and I'll call it as helmet. And to require a package, we know that we need to use the require function, and there we need to specify the name of the package, which in this case is helmet. Once we have required the package, next we are going to use the middleware. So remember that this package also, it is going to return us a function, and that function will be assigned to this helmet variable. And when we are going to call that function, it is going to return us a middleware. So here, after we have added the rate limiting, or actually even before that, we can call this helmet. So before doing anything, after we have created our Express app, the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to add the security headers. So for that, we can say app.use, and here I'm going to pass this helmet function and I'm going to call it. And when we are calling this helmet function, it is going to return us a middleware, and that middleware is going to add all the HTTP security headers to the responses which we are going to send from the Express app. Okay, so here let's save the changes. Let me also close this terminal, and let's go to Postman and let's see if those security headers are added to the response or not. So currently, if you see, earlier when I made this request, we had 10 headers here. Out of these 10 headers, these 3 headers were added by the rate limiting middleware. Now when I send the request, now we should have some more headers, some extra security headers added to the response. If I send the request, you see now the total number of headers for the response is 21. And you can see all these headers. So this content security policy header, this cross origin opener policy header, this cross origin resource policy header, all these are added by the helmet package. And it has set the default values for those headers in order to secure our Express app. So browsers can understand these headers, and the browsers can act accordingly based on these headers. And in this way, we are securing our Express app from attacks like cross-site scripting attack or MIME sniffing, etc. Okay, so we have added the security headers to our application. Now, what we can also do is, since we are already here, so here we are using this express.json middleware, and we have learned that all this middleware is going to do is it is going to read the JSON data from the request body, and it is going to attach to the request object. Now, when calling this middleware, we can also specify what is the maximum amount of data we are going to accept in the request body. So we know that while making a patch request or post request, we are going to get some data in the request body. So if we want to set a limit on the data which we want to take in the request body, that also we can do by passing an options object here, and there setting the limit to some value. For example, if I say 10 KB, that means in the request body, I'm going to allow a maximum of 10 KB of data. If the data is more than 10 KB, in that case, our Express application is going to reject that request. Okay, so if I save the changes here, and if we go to Postman, and there, let me try to create a new user. So we are going to make a post request, and for that we need to go to auth folder. So here I'm going to send a sign up request, and here I'm going to create a new user. Let's say Manoj Jha, and for the email, I'll pass manoj@gmail.com, and let's keep the password as test1234, and let's send the request. So we have received the response, and here the data which we are sending, it is very small. So it's less than 10 KB. So that's why the request was accepted and the user was created. But here in the request body, if we specify the data which is more than 10 KB, in that case, that request will be rejected by Express, because Here we have set the maximum limit of the request body to 10 KB. Okay, and by doing this, what type of attack we are preventing? We are preventing denial of service attack by implementing the limit on the request body. So this is all from this lecture. If you have any questions from this lecture, then feel free to ask it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.